Hello friends, today we are going to make mashed bitter gourd or Karele ka Chokha. This is no oil recipe and very easy to make. For this we'll roughly chop the bitter gourds and boil them with water. While boiling we'll add quarter teaspoon of salt to remove the bitterness. Cook for 2 whistles. Once it is depressurized on its own, take out the bitter gourd into a plate or a bowl. Remove the excess water by squeezing. Then add a chopped onion and 3/4 chopped green chillies. Mash the bitter gourd using hand or a masher. Add salt as per the taste. Squeeze half lemon juice. Mix everything together. Add a tablespoon of mustard oil. This is completely optional if you don't like the flavor. This is best served with rice. If you like the content, please do like, share and